even if you're not going outside. It has helped my skin so much. Always finish off with some moisturizer. Crazy, but while I'm talking to y'all, I'm gonna do my little stretch and I'll show you guys how to do it. You just like put your back straight, then you inhale and exhale, and then you stick your abs in to your rib cage, but you should be able to breathe. I was gonna work out today, but I decided not to. I'm gonna work out now. I'm gonna work out today. I was just gonna work in the morning. But I was like, no, like I have things to do, but I could do it with the time I have without waking up early. So I was like, let's do a realistic morning in my life. After the exhale, if I had a hair tie, this would be so much better. But yeah, that's my morning routine. Do this every morning. It's a little bit of a time crunch because right now it's 7:47. I have school at 8 o'clock. So I do this until I get bored. Apparently it's supposed to help you get abs. You're not ready. I don't know. No, my instructions on my sweater, but I want 10 minutes before school starts. One thing you guys probably have noticed is that I don't use phone in the morning. Maybe like you're like, oh, she's like, oh, but no. I don't like going on it at all. I only have my alarm. The only technology I go on is my TV and my laptop to do my stretches and my meditation. I use a green tea. Oh my god, I really don't care what brand it is. I just really like green tea. And oh my god, look at the lighting. Look a little crazy. Same into my hair, maybe not. I usually don't do my hair. That's just like me being realistic. I journal on my journal. Yesterday I did my new moon affirmations. Today I'm gonna be doing this is what I journal.
First, and make sure any negative emotions or thinking, kick them all out. Don't let them to pollute our mind. We all deserve a happy life.
Smoothie bowl time. I'm making a smoothie bowl. I'm literally in class and I'm making my smoothie bowl. So this is my smoothie. We're gonna add everything. Well, it's not my smoothie, it's my blender. So we're gonna, these are some berries. I think I want some berry mixture in here today. I also want blueberries. This is running out soon. Some bananas. And I froze them all and they're kind of like all frozen together, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna add some maca powder. This is good for balancing out hormones. I use this. Just a teaspoon. It provides like good energy, balances hormones. I'm gonna put a scoop of protein powder. I use Orgain protein. It's vanilla. Put some spinach in there for some added greens. I did put it in the bottom so it gets cut up first, but vanilla extract. This from Mexico, the best, literally the best. I'm gonna add some almond butter and yeah, this from Trader Joe's. I barely added liquid, so I have to like push it down all the time. This is the best smoothie bowl I've ever made. I just want you guys to know that. So we're at my last class of the day. Mom is eating her breakfast at 12:05. Yummy. I'm still at school, but I have to do yearbook and I have to text people. That's my current life situation. I'm doing math homework. This is a reminder and a motivator to pay attention to your math class. Why? Because now I'm gonna do my math homework before I go do my run. And what is going on? I don't get it. I did a lot of work. I'm trying to learn to teach myself. And I've been doing this for a good like 20 minutes. And I don't know what I'm doing. So remember to stay in school and don't make a smoothie while you're trying to learn. Studies first, but nutrition first. Which one is it going to be? Nutrition or math? So this is for today's morning routine. It is 1 o'clock. I'm about to go on a little run. I don't know if it's on the treadmill or outside yet. I still to figure that out. That is still to be decided. But that is just basically like an overview of my day, how it usually is, how I never do my hair, how I always crave sweet stuff in the morning. So this is like my first video, I think. I'm really excited. And yeah, I'll have more videos, more health stuff. This one just was realistic because I was gonna do something more interesting, but like no, this is more realistic. This is how I do it. At the same time, I feel like my morning routine is kind of interesting. And yeah, so I'm gonna go work out right now. Maybe one day I'll do a whole day in life vlog. Today I have a full day of stuff to do. I'm gonna surprise my friend for her birthday, and then I'm gonna do my math homework and just everything. Yeah, some exciting things are happening to this channel. If you guys enjoyed this, just a little sneak peek of good things to come. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.